Welcome back to How To Cooking. I'm Michael Webb, and today I am cooking for myself. So I'll be cooking from the meal kit I use, HelloFresh, which I've been self tonight, and I am going to be preparing Steakhouse-Style Pork Chops with a creamy pan sauce, roasted potatoes, and lemony broccoli. And since Jada wants to know why the chef added extra oregano to his sauce. He was making up for lost time. Alright, where does a car thief go for a quick pork meal? A chop shop. Hey, Princess Dynamite, did you hear Joe Biden had a meeting with his cabinet tonight? Then he spoke to his bookcase and argued with his desk. And